Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step on how to hard reset your LG V30 Plus. This particular device is unlocked with any service, and this tutorial should work with any similar devices from any other carriers. What you'll need to do is you want to turn off the device by pressing and holding the power button, which is located on the back of the phone. So when you press that, and you want to go ahead and turn off the device. Once the device is completely turned off, there's two buttons you will need to perform the hard reset, which are the power button and the volume down key. You want to press both together at the same time. As soon as the device turns on, release and press again the power key and keep holding. Once you do that, you will get to the screen right here, which is factory data reset. Using the volume down key, you want to scroll down to yes, then press the power key to confirm. You get to the second one, same thing, down to yes and press the power key. Once you do that, the device will restart and will start performing the factory reset and formatting everything on the device. This is it guys, concludes our tutorial for today. If you found this video helpful to you, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.